And I've spoken to Kwame Raoul about this, before all of that happened, and I would say, um, he did lead. He was asked to do this, um, but I think the way they viewed it, there are issues that are important to the state of Illinois, that they want to maintain the ability to have some regulation. So they would view that there's some things such as lead, lead products in children's toys that they want to still have the ability to regulate in their market. And the brief they ended up filing, and the Michigan Dana Nessel, the Michigan Attorney General, was actually leading that effort. I think the fact that Kwame Raoul weighed in actually was a good thing because he was able to moderate significantly the brief that Michigan actually wanted to file. And what ended up being filed didn't talk about agriculture, didn't talk about pork, didn't talk about pork production, really didn't talk about this case. It provided examples of, you know, of other areas that the Supreme Court should be considering. And so, yeah, maybe California's going too far in this instance, but really seeking to, it was almost an admission that, the Supreme Court was going to, was inclined to rule favorably in our favor, but let's provide, from Illinois' perspective, let's provide some moderating influence on that because they don't want that pendulum to swing all the way another way. They want to still preserve some rights for states to regulate activities.
So really, you don't think that what he did was really detrimental to the Illinois pork industry or Illinois agriculture?
No, I don't. And I he certainly heard our arguments and concerns. Um, like I said, I've had a number of very good conversations with him about this, and when I first heard it, I was disappointed that he was going to do this, and I know producers felt that way. When I read what they actually submitted, I actually had a smile on my face.